Your S24 Ultra has a black screen. You've tried holding the power button and it's not turning on. So try this instead. What we're going to do is we're going to press and hold both power and volume down together. This is going to do a force restart. So once we press and hold these two buttons down together, for me, the screen is showing immediately as I don't have the same issue as you, but just keep it held down for about 10 seconds or so. And then we're going to release from both buttons. What you should see is eventually the phone should start to turn on its own. What happened here is there was a software flaw. Your phone is probably on, but it glitched, and you can see the phone turning on here. And so by doing that power combination, it should solve it. If it does not solve it, it's possible maybe you dropped your phone, there's water damage, or there is a fault with your S24 Ultra. So the world isn't going to end. What may have happened is the screen connector or the battery connector may have disconnected from the phone. If that's the case, what we can do is you get two fingers here and kind of just press really hard on the screen like this all the way around and do front and back, just pressing really hard here all the way around the screen, both front and back. And you're just trying to, get the connector back in. It's unplugged. Smudge your thumbs, give this a shot. And while this looks a little bit wild, if your S24 Ultra's battery connector disconnected, by doing the massage, you may be able to get the connector back in. You'll feel a click once it's in. So do the same with the back of the phone as well. And once it's back in, do the power and volume down you saw earlier in the video, and your phone may end up being back online. If your phone is still not working, verify you've charged it. I'm assuming you've charged it. If that's the case, contact Samsung, do a claim, and they should be able to get you a free replacement.